Hi ma'am, I hope you're doing good. So how was the experience in Calligraphy, ma'am? So did you like the course?
Yeah, I liked it. This is the first time for me personally I took up this course. Lavanya's coaching was very motivating for me, and she was very patient and very she was very flexible with my own timings. In spite of many cancellations due to my work pressure at home. With a lot of hurdles and challenges, I completed the 16 days.
That's nice, ma'am. I hope you.
Were not favorable to me, but somehow no, it was the passion which was driving me through this course. It was my childhood passion that I should learn handwriting, but I didn't get an opportunity. After 46 years of age, I have done this.
That's so nice to hear, ma'am. It's really great and inspiring story. And I really hope you are satisfied with our course. If you are very satisfied with our course, kindly please refer us to your friends and family, ma'am, and to your inner circle as well.
Sure.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks so much.
Son only was your student.
Yes,
Then
yes,
I think your student.
he's still my student, ma'am. Forever he will be my student. And he's one student I will remember and cherish forever.
I will join many more courses here.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye.